Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my third lesson of D3, chapter number 1, exercise 1D, that is about application of quadratic equation in real world. In this lesson, I will solve question number 7. First, let's read the question as the questions are lengthy, so I've written the question in short form. Question says the figure shows a triangle ABC in which AP is 6 centimeter, AB is 3x plus 5 centimeter, and PQ is x centimeter, and BC is 1 centimeter. P and Q are 2 points on the lines AB and AC respectively, such that AP ratio AB equals to PQ ratio BC. First part of the question is formulate an equation in x and show that it reduces to 3x square minus x equals to 0. The second part says solve the equation 3x square minus x equals to 0. And third part says find the length of PB. Let's move to the solution of the question. Here we have to see that this is the information which will help us in the solution of the question. Given information is AP ratio AP ratio AB equals to PQ upon BC. Now let's move to the diagram of the question. If we look at AP, we can see that AP is the small length. Okay, AP is, and AB is the length of the whole triangle, that is 3x plus 5. And if we look at PQ is the base of this small triangle, and BC is the base of this big triangle. Let's replace the values in the given fraction. AP, if we look at AP is 6x upon AB, and value of AB is 3x plus 5 equals to PQ. Look at PQ is the base of small triangle, it has the value x, and upon BC, and BC in the given diagram is 1. Now what we have to do in order to form this equation, we have to cross multiply this. This will become 6x equals to x into 3x plus 5. Now what we have to do is we have to apply distributive property here, and we have to multiply this x with every term inside the bracket, and the equation will take the form 3x square plus 5x equals to 6x. Now what we have to do is we have to shift this 6x, because this is a like term, towards other side, because we have one more term in x to other side, and when I will be shifting this 6x to other side, I will have 0 at this place, and the equation will take the form 3x square plus 5x minus 6x equals to 0, or 3x square plus 5x minus 6x equals to 0. 5x and 6x are like terms. Solve them and it will give me answer 3x square minus x equals to 0. Now if we read the question says, the first part of the question says that form an equation and show that it reduces to 3x square minus x equals to 0. So here we have solved the first part of the question. Now let's move to the second part of the question that says solve the equation. So in order to solve this equation, what I will be doing, I have to take this equation again, 3x square minus x equals to 0. Here it's really important to decide that which method we have to apply here. The equation does not contain constant term, so preferably we will not be using the midterm breakage. If we look at the equation, we have x as a common factor, so extract x out, and inside the bracket I will left with 3x minus 1 equals to 0. In order to solve the equation, I have to apply either or condition, either x equals to 0 or 3x minus 1 equals to 0. This will give me the answer or the solution x equals to 0 or 3x equals to 1 or x equals to 1 by 3. So the two solutions of this equation are x equals to 0 or 1 by 3. I hope you are clear about how to solve this equation. Now it's really important to decide that which value of x we have to take. If we are taking x equals to 0, x is one of the side of this triangle, so we cannot take x equals to 0. So the accepted answer for this question will be x equals to 1 by 3. The next part is find the length PB. In order to find the length PB, we have to look at this side of the triangle. We can see that PB is some path, some patch along this line. So what we have to do is, in order to find PB length, we can see that AP plus PB is equal to total length AB. Now PB is the requirement of question, so I will be keeping it as it is, and I have to shift this AP to other side. Now what we have to do is, AB has the value 3x plus 5, 3x plus 5, and AP has the value 6x minus 6x. So this will become 5 minus 3x in letters in terms of x. Now what I have to do in order to get length PB, I have to replace x by 1 by 3. So PB will be equal to 5 minus 3 times 1 by 3, and 3 will be going with this 3, and I will have 5 minus 1, which is equal to 4 centimeter. So PB is 4 centimeter. I hope you are clear about this question. For next difficulty level, please catch me in the next class. Watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel, and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.